Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I have a super quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. There's not very many items, but there were some new things that I found, and so I wanted to share them with all of you in case these items haven't arrived at your Dollar Tree yet. So usually I go through each item separately, but again, because there's not very much, I'm just gonna jump right into it and show you the things that I ended up bringing home. So first I ended up finding this new shampoo and conditioner that I hadn't seen before. It's called Kind Natured, and it is avocado and olive for dry hair in need of everyday moisture. It says it's 90% natural, 100% vegan, 100% recyclable. So there is 250 mils or 8.4 fluid ounces for $1. Actually, I didn't even check my bill. I'm not sure now if everything is at $1.50. I'll have to check that. If not, then it would have been $1.25 here in Canada. So I'm excited to give this a try. And I did also pick up the hydrating Kind conditioner. Again, the same amount. And then I saw they had the Pantene 3-Minute Miracle Total Damage Care conditioner, and this has 150 mils in it. So I picked that up as well. I wanted to find a few scrunchies, so I did get these by Scoonchy, and I just picked up two the same. Black with this beige pattern in it. And then everything else that I picked up is decor. So I ended up finding this new bottle that they're carrying. It has a cork at the top with the thin neck, and it says Blossom and Bloom. And I believe they also had it in green. I did take pictures at the beginning of this video, so I'm pretty sure I have it in there. But I thought that was a really cute bottle, so I picked up one of those. I found a new home sign. I really love these ones, these decor pieces. And I thought this one was super cute because the O is in the shape of a windmill. So they had home, and I saw love as well. I did pick these up before. I don't believe I did pick up this one. These, I think, as I said in the pictures at the beginning of the video, I took pictures of two, and these two I don't think I seen the first time around. The first time around they look more Valentine Day related, but these are just regular decor, and it says Home Sweet Home, and it looks like the galvanized metal, but it's not. And then it's just plain particle board on the back, but I really love this one. And I did take a picture of the other one that I picked up, which was really cute as well, but I just decided to go with this one. I found this welcome sign round, and I love the thickness of this sign. As you can see, it's nice and thick, and it has this black and white bow, and I just love the black and white together, so I did want to bring one of these home. And then I finally saw the decor cutting boards. Now this is the first time I've seen them at my Dollar Tree. You can see they are a really nice size, and I saw two. So the first one is this black with the white writing that says Farm Fresh. Then it has the cow, and then the moo is the silver words glued onto the cow. Super cute. And then the other one is in white, off-white, and then the black lettering that says Farm Fresh with the pig in the center, and then the metal letters or metal words, and it spells out oink. So I was really happy to come across these because I hadn't seen them at my Dollar Tree, and I just love the size of them. And I hope Dollar Tree brings us some more of these bigger decor pieces in this size. And that's it, guys. Super quick. I just wanted to share it with you all. I hope you're all doing great. And here in my neck of the woods, we've been having some beautiful sunny days. No snow, which seems so crazy at this time of year, but I definitely am enjoying the sun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.